Welcome to the Art of Strategic Imperfection. This video explores doping mechanisms and how they transform intrinsic semiconductors into the building blocks of modern electronics. Intrinsic silicon at absolute zero is an insulator. Electrons are tightly trapped in covalent bonds, leaving no free carriers for electrical conduction. Above absolute zero, thermal energy breaks some covalent bonds, creating electron-hole pairs. However, this intrinsic generation is inefficient and produces too few carriers for useful applications. To create N-type material, we introduce a group 5 pentavalent impurity like phosphorus. 4 electrons bond, and the 5th valence electron is unbound and ready to move. This 5th electron creates a donor level, a stepping stone, near the conduction band. The low ionization energy means the electron easily jumps into the conduction band, even at room temperature. The result is N-type silicon, which has an abundance of free electrons. These electrons are the majority carriers, and the Fermi level shifts upward, closer to the conduction band. To create P-type material, we introduce a group 3 trivalent impurity, called an acceptor, such as boron. Its 3 valence electrons leave a vacancy, or an incomplete bond, in the lattice structure. The hole is a vacancy that behaves like a positive charge carrier. As an electron jumps to fill the hole appears to move in the opposite direction. The acceptor impurity creates a low-energy shelf called the acceptor level, just above the valence band. Electrons jump up to fill it, creating mobile holes in the valence band. P-type silicon results in an abundance of holes, which are the majority carriers. The Fermi level shifts downward, closer to the valence band. Comparing N-type and P-type N-type uses a pentavalent impurity, resulting in majority electrons. P-type uses a trivalent impurity, resulting in majority holes. Despite creating mobile charge carriers, doped materials remain electrically neutral. The overall balance of positive and negative charges is maintained. The mass action law states that, at thermal equilibrium, the product of electron and hole concentrations is constant. If electrons increase, holes must decrease. Even a small doping ratio, like 1 impurity per 100 million silicon atoms, can dramatically increase conductivity by a factor of 10,000 or more. By selectively doping silicon, we engineer the p-n junction. This is the fundamental building block for diodes, transistors, and the entire digital age.